Hello friends, guess what I am doing today? Yes, it's correct. I am replacing the timing belt on the Lupo 3L. Later on the video I will show you some advices or some life hacks, so called, how to make it without any blocking mechanisms and blocking tools and other stuff which is absolutely unnecessary on this simple engine. But the funny thing is that I have just removed all the covers here, and funny thing is that this tensioner, you can see this is not staged, this is how it was. So you can see this is not tightened, or it's not set properly, and engine run with this setup probably 130,000 kilometers. So it's funny, it's a second car originated from Germany which has this fault. You can find on my YouTube channel circa 5 or 7 years ago. You can see the same fault from the car just imported from the Germany. This was imported from the Germany around 5 years ago, but nobody, as far as I know, nobody did change the distribution. The reason why is it that clean like this is not because it would be staged by myself. It's I have no reason to make something like this, but this is because I have cleaned it properly with the pressure washer before my job. You can see it all around here that it's pretty clean now. So let's continue. You can see that the belt is completely free to move. Just a moment. You can see this drove 100,000 kilometers plus, so it's perfect. Funny for me that the German shop cannot handle the most simple distribution belt change or cam belt change probably ever seen.